Everyone is celebrating the first championship, the first Super Bowl victory of the Philadelphia Eagles today. But if you really look into it, I think we should be celebrating the first Super Bowl victory of a sneaker YouTuber. It was recently brought to my attention that my good friend Seth Fowler bears a striking resemblance to the Eagles' backup, now starting, now Super Bowl champion quarterback, Nick Foles. He bears such a striking resemblance, in fact, that I began to question, is there something more to this? After countless hours of research, I have compiled a rock-hard case that all but proves that Seth Fowler is the first Super Bowl winning sneaker YouTuber. Seth Fowler, Nick Foles. Seth is 4 letters, Nick is 4 letters. Foles and Fowler share 4 common letters. 4, 4, 4, 4. There are 4 quarters in a game of football. On average, Seth uploads 4 videos a week. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Coincidence? I think not. Seth went to college in Philadelphia. Nick Foles plays in Philadelphia. Coincidence? I think not. An article was once quoted as saying Nick Foles was a very industrious quarterback. Seth is an industrial designer. Coincidence? I think not. On top of this, Nick Foles is a Super Bowl champion. Seth Fowler owns the Supreme Ramen Bowl. Supreme Bowl, Super Bowl, coincidence? I think not. With all of this overwhelming evidence presented in front of you, I think the only thing left to assume is that Seth Fowler is the first sneaker YouTuber to win a Super Bowl. In all seriousness, though, I mean, like, the Super Bowl was pretty freaking good. I don't watch a lot of football, I'll be completely honest with you guys. I watch maybe 2-3 games of football a year, but that was apparently the most offensive yards in football history, in the history of the NFL, like 100 years of NFL football, most yards on offense ever in a game of football. The Patriots didn't win, the Eagles won. I think most people are happy about that. I don't really get why people hate the Patriots, but I just feel like most people hate the Patriots. I think it has something to do with the fact that they've just been good for so long, and like people don't like to see someone succeed because we have this like jealousy complex where we want to see people succeed until they succeed more than we can, and then we want to see them be torn down and fail, which I think is the problem with the Patriots. And also, like, they deflated some balls, so people are mad about that. But otherwise, I don't get why people hate the Patriots. They're fun to watch. I like seeing a team win over and over and over again. I enjoy watching the Golden State Warriors do that. I enjoy watching dynasties happen in sports. I think it's entertaining. But I guess people just don't think the same as me, or maybe people just hate Tom Brady. I'm gonna go with the second one. I'm driving across the city to go to the post office today because there's this package that I've been waiting for probably a month and a half by now. Actually, right around a month, almost 2 months actually. It hasn't shown up. I don't know where it is. I don't know why it's taking so long. I lost my phone, and the person who sent it to me sent me a text that it was here, and I just got that text recently, except it never showed up in my house. I never got a delivery notice. Apparently it's at the post office. If I don't pick it up soon, they're gonna send it back to him. I have a feeling it's not at the post office. They usually leave a slip at my door if it's at the post office. I'm really hoping UPS didn't lose my package. I don't know, man. It just leads me to believe that I'm gonna show up to the post office, I'm gonna be sorely disappointed, I'm not gonna get the package. Enough speculation. I'm just gonna get to the post office, have them tell me that they're not there, and then I can be sad.
Don't know what may have happened to it, may have blown away, they might not have tried, I don't know. Just your signature. Cool. There was customs owing of 1804.
Thankfully, they did have the package. UPS did lose it, actually. It's a long story. So here's the deal. Basically, these were supposed to be here a long time ago, but UPS shipped them to the wrong home address. I don't know how they got the wrong home address, but they did, and they shipped them to somewhere that was not my house. Finally, I get them a month later. I guess they put them at the right post office, thankfully. I don't know what the deal is, but the guy at the post office said that they were, in fact, never delivered to my house, which sucks. So this is a pair of shoes that released a while ago. This is from firelaces.com, which is a pre-order site, which I really recommend. It's run by a dude in Atlanta who gets all your shoes early, and they're 100% legit, and you don't need to worry about camping out. He does Yeezys, he does all the popular Jordans, he does all the popular Adidas. If you want a pair of shoes, he's probably got it for you. But here we have an orange box, so you know it's a pair of Nikes. You don't know what pair of Nikes it is, and this is a very special pair of shoes that I've been waiting for a long time. Oh yeah, it is yet another pair of Gatorade Jordans. Now I know lots of you guys are probably getting pissed off. You're like, Tom, we don't want another pair of Gatorade Jordans. This is a sick pair of shoes right here. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for these for so long. I don't want to open the box because I don't want to ruin the surprise. I just want to let the moment. So we're opening the box. Sweat towel, awesome. Paper, awesome. Paper, awesome. The orange Gatorade Jordan 1s are finally here. After so many weeks of waiting, I'm ripping these right into the cellophane. Oh my goodness, these things are beautiful. This is one of my favorite shoes from the Gatorade pack. I really like these. Here you can see firelaces.com, the business information if you guys want to go check them out. Shout out to them once again. Great dude that runs it. Oh my goodness, look at how nice these are. This is my 4th pair of Gatorade Jordans, and these things are great. So my 3rd pair of Gatorade Jordan 1s. I don't know which ones, but I think this one's my favorite. I think the orange peel one is my favorite. Then I have to put this one at number 2. Then I have to put the green ones, which I don't have at number 3. Then I'll put this purple one at number 4. Now that I have the orange ones finally, I didn't know if these were ever going to show up. I think I'm probably going to sell the purple ones for retail or whatever they go for. Probably drop them off at Friday nights or something like that. But these are awesome. These are more awesome. And then these are even more awesome. Just all orange. I have this awesome green Champion hoodie. You guys probably know what I'm talking about, that I could wear these with and it would look exactly like a Gatorade bottle. I might do that just for jokes because it's like the 2 perfect shades of green for a Gatorade bottle, the orange and the green. I could just throw that on with some jeans and like have the most ridiculous looking Gatorade outfit ever. I think I'm going to do that at some point in the spring once it gets a little bit warmer, because I can't really wear just a hoodie and jeans right now. I need to throw a jacket on too because it is freezing outside. But we got these. I don't want to bore you with the details and the history on these. Obviously it's a collaboration with Jordan because Jordan was a Gatorade athlete back in his playing career, so they collaborated with Gatorade. Jordan brand created these Gatorade Jordan shoes. They did the Jordan 1, they did the Jordan 6, and they did the Jordan 32. The Jordan 6 right back there is the most coveted out of all of them, and then the lime ones, and then these ones, and then these ones, and then these ones, and then no one really cares about the 32s at all. But these are very nice. Happy with these. The leather quality, I mean, it's super soft. It's not quality leather though. I don't know if that makes a difference to you guys, if it's soft or if it's good leather. I know lots of people just like it to be soft. It's very soft, but it's not like premium leather. It doesn't bother me either way. You know, I just want to make it clear that this is not premium leather. Got into that last time. Great pair of kicks. Another Jordan 1 to add into the collection. That now makes 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 pairs of Jordan 1s, I think. I don't think I'm missing any. It could be more than 37, but I think it's 37 pairs of Jordan 1s, which is absolutely crazy. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this pair of kicks down in the comment section below. How does it rank in your Gatorade list? Did you pick up any of the Gatorade sneakers, and what Jordan 1s are you looking forward to copying? I know lots of people have been asking me, am I getting the bread toes? Am I getting the Sport Royals or Game Royals or whatever they're called? 100% getting the bread toes, 95% getting the blue and white ones. I think those ones are a little bit less nice than the bread toes. The bread toes are like a double up. Those things are beautiful. I'm gonna try and get 2 pairs of those. I'm helping out Eric from Friday nights, so I'm giving him my 2nd pair, so I need to get like a 3rd pair. If anyone wants to hook me up for retail on a 3rd pair of bread toes, they will go to good use. I will wear them and I will enjoy them. Anyway guys, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching. Keep it real, and I'll see you tomorrow. And for all you guys still here, thank you for watching to the end of the video. Just a reminder, just a heads up to all you guys that maybe haven't heard the news yet, I am doing a meetup in Winnipeg at Friday nights, which is on McDermott Street downtown in the Exchange. Make sure to come through. It is February 10th from noon till around 3 in the afternoon. Eric at Friday nights dropping a big collection. I'm going to be there. I'm going to say what's up to all you guys. Going to hang out, have a good time. It's going to be a good Saturday afternoon. So make sure to be there. It's going to be very, very, very fun. That's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take it easy.